everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Angel Dome here, or Agent Dome, and another unboxing JADE-WUDAO again. And I ordered this last month and it just arrived today. And here it is. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell. And yeah, with plastic. Box fully secured. Of course, I'll be expecting another bubble wrap because they are horrible in packaging. They don't have a box. Yeah, this is what I ordered. It's a WUDAO. It's a display, but you can use it as a pendant or necklace. They gave me a what do you call this, a rope. It's supposedly I want to put a glass, a gold glass, but they didn't tell me if I can use it as a pendant or not. So this is a small one. It's a carving. So oh yeah, if you could see, there's a hole that I could use a pendant, but I will not use this as a pendant. So this is a WUDAO. It's a natural yellow on top, brownish yellow. And this is my collection. If they put the rope, if they tighten it, maybe I'll put my WUDAO over here, or I will just put it here like that. So this is my WUDAO addition to my collection. I like the carving, because if you could see this, it's look like a face. It's look like a face. Yeah. It's like, this is like a moon for me. Like he's praying. Okay. And this is the back of the WUDAO. Not too bad. I like it. So yeah, this is gonna be my last unboxing for now, because I ordered a lot in the last month. So yeah, and I'm currently enrolled in a training, so I'll be focusing on that, and I'll be maybe I will be updating you all my collection. I'll be showing you one by one my collection, my WUDAO collection. So yeah, if you like this video, please hit the notification bell, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Until on the next video, have a good day and see ya.